panguva ine plan yezvigananda ichiexposewa, tona BBC ichitsanangura ichiuya ichipenengura ichiexposa plan inoitwa nezvigananda kuconfusa one opposition, two macitizens. Their plan panguva ino yekuamenda constitution kuti vakwanise kualawa kuti vakwanise kurula beyond 2028. Iplan inozozikanwa kunzi igolden plan yavari kuda, but panguva ino how to implement it ndo confusion yavari kuisa muvanhu. Saka mashoko amudanyi panguva ino pa subscribe like utamba bell icon. BBC Zimbabwe. Saka ndasamutanyira chiti ZANU-PF is preparing for elections while throwing a 2030 agenda for the opposition to spend time discussing and fighting ZANU-PF factional battles. ED said he is not going to 2030 and he knows what he's doing. He's not stopping those who are pushing for 2030 within ZANU-PF because he wants you opposition to create your own conspiracy theories that he wants to go beyond 2028 and spend time focusing on that. While his preferred successor is preparing for elections, the faction that is fighting 2030 within ZANU-PF wants to remove ED through a coup using 2030 agenda, and they need opposition support because this faction is scared of going to the Congress next year against the well-funded Tagore. Respect Nelson Chamisa for distancing himself from ZANU-PF factional battle. Opposition should focus on the total removal of ZANU-PF, not defending things that do not exist. Ndo mashoko anobuda chitoko panguva ino awa neBBC pamusoro pemafights arimo mu the ruling party ZANU-PF awa nemumatongero enyika kuchinokwa kunzi ZANU-PF especially the top leadership panguva ino faction yezvigananda iri kuuya panguva ino ichipavha its way for 2030. Pena comment section medu dzamafunguro aimoti kudii pamusoro pechitoko ichi. Pena comment section medu subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.